not funny. It's not bread.
Are you gonna feed it to the bird?
I'm gonna take off the seeds from the bread and put it and give it. Film that.
Where is the?
Oh my gosh. Joanna, what are you doing?
Trying to
You got it into the living room, you idiot.
blue.
I think I just stepped on its poop.
Where is it?
Don't get out the window. Move this way.
Don't touch it. And you're using an umbrella?
Do you have any other idea?
Here, I've got a broom. One sec.
Okay, wait, I need to go to the bathroom.
Do those windows open, Vivi?
Yeah, do they open?
No.
Heck. Open that
I've
other
got the
door.
umbrella.
Can you open those doors? And Kate, and somebody open.
These don't open.
Vivica, open the doors.
Okay, these open. Here, move.
This is freaking me out. Where did it go? Oh my god, I hear it.
Okay.
Dude, it's not going to be able to find that.
Well, I don't know. It could.
Get out. Stop trying to get out the
What's
window.
this?
Okay, you guys, hello? Kate? No, don't run into the window again. Oh.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I do too.
That way, it's coming out!
Where is it? Where is it? What is Joanna doing?
Wait, don't let Elsa in. It's out!
Yeah!
Now close all the doors!
Joe, how'd you do it?
Joanna, tell us how you did it.
It almost attacked me. Did you see it running by my feet?
I was right next to the bird, Kate. I was telling you to move. All you had to do was move and it was going to fly out the window. Okay, all I did was kept moving towards it and the door was right there. All you have to do is lure into the door, get freaks out.
Where is it? Did it go back in?
Business is done.
My
Went
heart.
that way. How many times that bird ran into the windows? Every time I would come over, bam! Again,
Moron.
smack down.
I'm sorry, I don't feel bad for an idiot who comes in.